Warm welcome to the bakery and confectionery class. Today we are going to make the vegetable pizza, and for making vegetable pizza we are required to make a vegetable pizza dough. For making vegetable pizza dough we require certain ingredients. Let's have a look of these ingredients. We have over here 200 gram of refined flour. This is 15 gram of sugar. This is 4 gram of gluten. This is 10 gram of yeast, 10 ml of oil, 4 gram of salt, a pinch of improver we will use, and 100 ml of water. Now we will make a dough of these all ingredients. So let's make a dough. Our pizza dough is now ready, as we can see over here. Now with this pizza dough we are going to make two kind of pizza. One is the thin crust pizza. That is a basically authentic Italian style pizza with thin crust. We will make it with the hand, that one, and the second one will be the pizza which is having a bread like structure, which we generally found in the Domino's and the Pizza Hut. Now this is 180 gram of ball, and we are going to make a thin crust pizza with this dough. We are keeping over here, and we are keeping this tray now for the proving. When it will be proved enough, then we are moving this dough with the hand to make the thin crust pizza. Now this is 120 gram of dough for the that we have said about the Domino style kind of pizza. This will be a 120 gram, and we will spread it with the help of the rolling pin. Our dough is proved. This one is 180 gram of dough, and we are going to make the thin crust pizza out of this. So first we will finish this pizza. So for making this pizza we need to keep our hand little moist with the oil, like this. We will spread little oil on the base of the tray over here. And now we will lift our dough like this. Now with the help of this oil we will spread this pizza. So this is how we are going to make the thin crust pizza. Now we have rolled this dough. We can see over here, you can see the thickness. Now with the fork, this is the process we call docking. This is we will do so that our dough should be even from all the side. Now we are going to put this in our pizza base. And we will keep it in the proving chamber. Once it will be proved, then we are going to bake it. Now this is the sauce we are going to spread on our pizza. Okay. some cheese, now vegetable, some tomatoes, raw tomatoes, again a layer of cheese, little salt, black pepper, and now it's ready for bake. So this is our pizza is ready now. You can see. The hotness of this pizza. Ready-made pizza bases which we get in the market. Now this we have given the demonstration. This is 120 gram of dough. Now it is proved enough, and now we are going to put it in the baking at 200 degrees Celsius to cook. Now we will put little oil on it. Now this is the base, you can see, soft one like we got in the market. Now we will put a sauce over here. Vegetables, some tomatoes, if we have olives, then also good. Now salt, black pepper.